Aluglobus out here in the show. We're killing it. People are super excited to see us out here. And what we got here is our Aluglobus. I'm going to demonstrate a panel very soon. But let's just talk about the fence for a second. What we got here basically, aluminum channels, aluminum bottom rails. You can do gaps, you can do solid, you can do multiple gaps, you can do multiple colors. It's the same components. You got aluminum post. Aluminum post comes with this side closers that you can run another fence this way, and I'll demonstrate in a minute why we have those. So that's talking about a little bit about the fence. It's a full composite TNG, so it's very, very durable. Maintenance is very low. You can literally hose it down to clean. You don't have to worry about your pets, insects, termites, water damage, and everything that you have in a wood fence. Now, let's go over here to this section and I'll show you exactly step by step how this fence actually gets done. So, take this panel off for a second right here with you guys. Check this out. I'm taking it apart and you're learning as I go. So, there's our planter and there's our first stage. Our first stage starts at right here. All right, so this is exactly how we start. Step one. Step one, you have 1.25 inch steel that you cement down to your floor. Then you take your pre-cut post, you sleeve it in. You need a little putty hammer sometimes. You place the first channel on the bottom. You don't have to worry about leveling. Leveling you can do in the end. Okay, now we're doing an ordinary fence. Let's say, for instance, this post was cemented the same way I showed this one, and I put the first rail. From there, I put my first composite that is pre-cut as well into the channel. And I go and I take my next channel here. The channels, as you can see, has a little T because it goes into the TNG. And I go and continue with my second board and grab another channel here. Very easy assembly. You can do it yourself at home as a homeowner. You can hire a local handyman to do the job for you, or you can bring aboard a new fence company and introduce our product. We'll teach them step by step how to do it. And there you go. You got an ultimate fence done, no matter where you're at. All right, put the channels in my next board. Now, it really depends what style you're doing, right? We're doing a full privacy with an aluminum channel every board. Not only it's beautiful, but this is the most durable way to do this fence. Putting my next board up, durable, rust-free, very strong. You got a lot of aluminum integrated. Now check this out. Your last piece is solid on top for beauty, and you can chill and have a beer. I don't drink, so I don't have no beer with me. Now you have leftovers. What are you gonna do with the leftovers? We do not throw away aluminum. It's a lot of money, right? So take those channels, cut your cuts that you did, and make a beautiful planter, 100% rust-free planter. Not only 100% rust-free planter, this is probably your strongest planter that you can possibly do. Take your post cover, cover your ugly gap, cap your channels. If I wanted to, I could have. Very easy. You guys see step by step how it's done. You cut a little short, no problem. Gets another cut there. You're not going to see it. Got the cap in. Very nice. Silicone the cap right here as well. You cut it wrong. You got another spare. No problem. Don't buy another channel. Great price. Guaranteed to have the lowest price in the market of California for aluminum composite fence. Guaranteed by Aluglobus. There you go. That was an easy installation. I didn't need any special tools, very basic tools. You saw how it's done. Your support steel inside will keep that durability, windproof, high rated, and the best benefit is you get the wood look without the maintenance. That was it, Aluglobus. Quick demonstration about the product. See you guys later. Visit our shop at Aluglobus.